In English, 12 vowel phonemes are used. You can see their names and the symbols used to represent them with suitable examples. The 12 pure vowels used in English from A to A, 12 vowel phonemes. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme A and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme A. The name of this phoneme is A. It is a short phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Example: UNCLE, A, ing, ang, ik, a, l, ungal. The initial position of the syllable. U, L, C, E, R, A, il, al, is, a, sa, ulcer. U, G, L, Y, A, ik, ug, il, e, li, ugly. In the middle position of the syllable. If, you, T, if, a, ba, it, but. C, U, T, if, a, ka, it, cut. C, O, M, E, if, a, ka, im, come. C, U, F, if, a, ka, im, come. S, O, M, E, is, a, sa, im, some. S, U, M, is, a, sa, im, some. S, O, N, S, is, a, sa, in, sun. S, U, N, is, a, sa, in, sun. Two letters U and O normally represent this phoneme.